Hi, I'm Dr. Craig Chepke. I'm a psychiatrist in private practice at Excel Psychiatric Associates in Huntersville, North Carolina. And I'm also an adjunct associate professor of psychiatry at Atrium Health. I'm excited to talk today about Psych Congress Elevate, which is coming up soon. Isn't that right, Dr. Chan?
Yes, and we are going to be there. It's going to be a lot of fun. My name is Stephen Chan. I'm a clinical assistant professor at Stanford University, as well as a co-chair for Elevate. And we are really excited about getting this program to all of our attendees.
Yeah, I'm really honored to be co-chairing the meeting along with you and also our other co-chair, Amber Hoberg. I think it's going to be a great time. This is our 7th annual Psych Congress Elevate. So hard to believe it's been 7 years, but I think we've really built something special. What's your favorite moment from Elevate?
Well, the thing I really like about Elevate is just how we have so many folks from across different mental health disciplines there. We've got nurse practitioners, physician assistants, psychiatrists, psychologists, social workers, and we're all coming together to just learn from each other and share knowledge. So I really think that it's a very special, approachable place, and there's a lot to learn.
Yeah, and that energy is just really palpable. It's really for future-focused, earlier career mental health professionals, and that buzz. I mean, that's what my favorite thing about Elevate is that everyone there is just so excited to learn. And last year, being the first time in Las Vegas, we decided to double down and bring it back to Vegas for this year as well. There's just so much you can do there. I mean, the education obviously is going to be top notch. We've got the practical psychopharmacology, because knowing neurobiology is great, but if you can't take it back to work with you and make it practical, then it's not going to help you that much. So we've got that. It's very future focused. I know that's one of your big focuses as well. Tell us about that.
Yes, I'm excited for so many different sessions that are happening at Psych Congress Elevate. One of them is my dear friend, Ed Kafdarian. He's going to be talking about telepsychiatry and all of the changes that are happening with the end of the COVID-19 public health emergency. Not just him, but also we have Sarah Johansson from Stanford, who's going to be speaking about social media's impact on mental health. Yours truly will be talking about digital therapeutics, prescribed and non-prescribed, and how we can integrate these into our mental health workflows and also for substance use disorder care. So there's so much to learn. I love how it's future-oriented, and we're learning about some truly cutting-edge things.
Well, there's cutting edge stuff that's great, but also sometimes you need to revisit the classics. So I'm actually co-presenting a talk with Dr. Jonathan Meyer on how to best utilize lithium in bipolar disorder, and especially specifically how to mitigate some of the potential renal adverse consequences it can have, because there's some medications that you just can't replace, so you have to figure out how to use them the right way. So that's what we're hoping to bring. So both ends of the spectrum. But on top of that, what I think you don't get at any other conference, at least that I know about, is the focus on career building that we have. We have someone that's going to be taking headshots, someone helping to review your CV as well, and then just the networking that you can have, not just with other attendees, but with faculty as well.
Yeah, and one of the speakers, Napoleon Higgins, will be speaking about careers and how to find that perfect job. So there's so many different career opportunities out there. It can be hard to sort of figure out which one is the right fit for you. So I'm really excited to hear from him because I've learned from him about professional networking in the past. Are there other things that you are also excited about? This is going to be in Las Vegas. Any fun activities or any sort of things to look forward to in the conference?
Well, we definitely do have a lot to look forward to. There's on top of the education, there's all the shows they can visit in Vegas. We're gonna have some networking events outside of the conference in the evenings. There's just almost something for everybody. And I hear there may be a little karaoke.
Really?
We'll see. Tune in, find out more. But sometimes you don't know what you're looking for in your career, and sometimes it just kind of falls into your lap. I mean, for me, it was just a few years ago that I started attending Psych Congress events regularly, just as a regular attendee. I paid my registration fees and paid my way and showed up, and I really did have some transformative networking that happened that formed lasting bonds of friendship in the Psych Congress family and really altered the trajectory of my career. And I'm hopeful that we can bring some of that to our attendees at Psych Congress Elevate, possibly.
Yeah, and it's going to be just a lot of fun and also just a very warm, welcoming environment. And I think that that's why I keep coming back every single year. I joined actually since the very first Psych Congress Elevate in San Francisco, and how we've been able to have it in different cities. Las Vegas is going to be a lot of fun.
Yeah, last year's Elevate was the biggest we had ever done up to this point, and we figured the only way we could make it even bigger was to double down and come back to Vegas again. So whether we're going to be welcoming you into the Psych Congress family or welcoming you back to the Psych Congress family, we are really excited to see you in Vegas this June.